Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, I explained you some parts of question number 1 and 3 parts of question number 2 of exercise 4B. Today we will continue with remaining parts of question number 2, starting from D. So D is 81 into 3 power n is equal 3 power 5. What we have to do in this question? We have to find the value of this n. So students, here see, this is base 3 and this is also base 3. So first we will convert this 81 also with base 3. We will do factor of 81 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Then 2 remainder 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. It means this 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write this 81 as 3 power 4 into 3 power n is equal 3 power 5. Now here both the bases are same, and between these two numbers there is multiplication sign. So we will use here first law of exponent, that is product law of exponent. Now we can write this 3 power 4 plus n. If there is multiplication sign between two numbers with same base, we add the powers. 3 power 4 plus n is equal 3 power 5. Now see, this 3 and this 3, both the bases are same. Bases of both the sides are same. It means powers are equal. So we will write here 4 plus n is equal 5, and we will write here, since bases of both the sides are equal, and here we will write law a power, here we will write a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. Students, in the previous class I told you it is must, you have to write which law you are using. So 4 plus n is equal 5, then n is equal 5 minus this 4, n is equal 1. So value of n is equal 1. Next, E part. E part is 7 power 2n is equal 49 multiply 7 power n. Again students, see here base is 7, here also base is 7. So we will convert this 49 also with base 7. 7 power 2n is equal 49 can be written as 7 power 2. 7 7 is 49. Multiply 7 power n. Now 7 power 2n is equal. Again both the bases are same and there is multiplication sign. So we will add these two powers, 7 power 2 plus n. We will again show here a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. Now 7 power 2n is equal 2 plus n. Why? Again, since bases of both the sides are equal, so their powers will be equal. 2n is equal 2 plus n. Now this 2n, take this plus n to this side, it will be minus n is equal this 2n minus 1n means 1n. 1n will be written as n. n is equal 2. Value of n is equal 2. Now F. In F part, it is 5 power 3n is equal 125 into 5 power n. Again here base is 5, here base is also 5. So we will convert this 125 also with the base 5. If we do prime factors of this 125, 5 2 are 10, 2 remainder, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5, means 125 is equal 5 power 3. So we will write it 5 power 3n is equal, this 125 will be written as 5 power 3 into 5 power n. Now 5 power 3n is equal, this will be written as 5 power 3 plus n. Using first law, a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. Now again both the bases are same, both side bases are same, so their power will be equal. 3n is equal 3 plus n. We will write again same. All these three sums carry same method, but since bases of both the sides are equal, so 3n is equal 3 plus n. Now 3n, take plus n to this side, minus n is equal 3. 3n minus 1n, 2n is equal 3. Now n is equal 3 upon 2. Come to next part, G. G part. 8 power n plus 8 power n plus 1 equal 72. So how we will do? Students, this question is little bit different from the previous ones. We will write this 8 power n as it is plus 8 power n plus 1. 8 power n into 8 power 1. We will write it like this. We are using again product law. A power m plus n is equal a power m multiply a power n. Like this. We have written this law reversing. A power m plus n is equal a power m into a power n, like this. Then equal 72. Now see, from here 8 power n, 8 power n can be taken as common. 8 power n common. Then what is left here? 8 power n upon 8 power n. 1 plus 8 power n into 8 power 1 upon 8 power n. Again this will be cancelled. We have 8 power 1 is equal 72. See this step again. We are taking 8 power n as common. It means this 8 power n upon this 8 power n plus this plus 8 power n multiply 8 power 1 upon this 8 power n. Again what we have taken common. 8 power n common means cancelled, means 1 plus 8 power n cancel, it means 8 power 1. Now this 8 power n 1 plus 8 power 1 means 8 is equal 72. 8 power n 1 plus 8 9 equal 72. Now this 8 power n is equal 72 upon this 9. 9 1 is 9, 8 9 8 is 72. So 8 power n is equal this 8. 8 means 8 power 1. Again both the bases are same, so n is equal 1. Since bases of both the sides are equal, so n is equal 1. Come to h part. H is 9 power n plus 1 minus 2 multiply 9 power n is equal 7. Again we will follow the same pattern, same rule. 9 power n plus 1 can be written as 9 power n into 9 power 1 minus 2 multiply 9 power n is equal 7. Now again from here 9 power n can be as common. Then 9 power 1 minus this 2 left is equal 7. Again see this 9 power n into 9 power 1 upon this common 9 power n minus 2 multiply 9 power n upon 9 power n. Cancel 9 power 1 minus 2 left. Now 9 power n, 9 power 1 means 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 power n multiply 9 minus 2 is 7 equals 7. Then 9 power n is equal this 7 upon this 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. 9 power n is equal 1. Students, you know zero exponent of law. If power is 0, then what is the base? It doesn't matter, value will be 1. We need here base 9. हमें यहाँ पर बेस 9 की जरूरत है, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 9 power 0 means 1. So we will write this 1 as 9 power 0. Now both the side bases are same, then n is equal 0. We will write here again, since bases of both the sides are equal. Students, in this type of cases, when value is 1 and when value is 1 and we need the value in the power base and exponent, then we will write the same base from the other side with power 0. If here base is 10 power n equal 1, then we will write 10 power 1 n equal 10 power 0. Again value will be 1. If it is 5 power n equal 1, we will write 5 power n is equal 5 power 0. Okay. Now come to next and last part, I. I is 4 upon 9 power 3 divided by 4 upon 9 power 2 equal 2 upon 3 power n. So student, see these two bases are 4 upon 9, but this side base is 2 upon 3. First we will make all the bases same. So this 4 upon 9 power 3 and both the bases are same. Between these two bases there is division sign. In division sign, quotient law of exponent we will use and power will be subtracted, second law. Then 4 upon 9 power 3 minus 2 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. We will use here law a power m divided by a power n is equal a power m minus n. This is the second law, quotient law of exponent. Now 4 upon 9 power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 upon 9 can be written as 3 power 2 whole power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now both the powers are 2, so we can write 2 upon 3 power 2, then whole this power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now here we will use power law of exponent. Both the powers will be multiplied. 2 into 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. We will write here a power n whole power n is equal a power m n. Now 2 upon 3 power 2 1 ja 2 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. Both the bases are same, so n is equal 2. Since bases of both the sides are equal. So students, our this exercise is finished. Now we will start next exercise.